got snowed in for the second day. And Gina's on Uber Eats. I pray for anybody who's out here, but I feel you trying to get that coin. I understand. So I don't know what we're gonna do today. Probably nothing. I watched movies and TV all day yesterday. I'm being lazy. I don't know. I might play in makeup. I don't know. I did a little online shopping.
You did?
Paid some bills. And now I'm just chilling. Me and Bae are going out to dinner. This was the original plan before the whole ice snowstorm, what the fuck ever it was. Me and Babe are about to go eat because Bae got hungry and everybody's closed over where we live at. So we're just gonna go out to dinner. Fuck it. Why not? We're at fucking AutoZone. The fucking windshield wipers decide that they don't want to work. Granted, we don't need the windshield wipers because it's not snowing or doing anything, but debris from like the roads and the windshield is flying back on the glass. So Gina does kind of need the windshield wipers. So I don't know if the fuse is gone or what, but we were trying to go out to eat. We stopped at a gas station. Gina got frustrated and beat the shit out of the hood. So yeah, we're at AutoZone to see if she can get the windshield wipers fixed. The restaurant closes at 10. It is a little bit like almost 7:30 now. It's not far. It's like a 20-minute distance, but at the same time, it's just kind of cray-cray. It's not super duper cold out here, especially if you're bundled up. So yeah, we're outside with it, trying to go get some food. We was trying to go to this restaurant because we've never been, and I'm a foodie. I be watching like food restaurant places on Facebook and Instagram, and I see this one a lot. So we was gonna try it out tonight since we didn't get to go out to eat for our anniversary, which was last Monday. But we're having a little bit of struggles. Probably should have waited until tomorrow when the sun is out. But Gina's hungry, and our dumbasses decided that, oh, it's not gonna be that bad, we can just go to the store later. No, we definitely should have went to the store Wednesday night because we've been off for the past 2 days because everything's been fucking closed. DoorDash is not working, Uber Eats is not working, and we understand people. I mean, it's slick roads out here. I wouldn't want to risk my life to bring you something to eat because your ass didn't go to the store either. So hopefully we make it to the restaurant. I'll keep y'all posted. If not, we'll see y'all when we get back to the crib. Pray for us.
When's a nigga when you need one?
I was looking at you and I was like, damn, she's pissed. Give it here. Gina's admirations kept coming on this whole time. Like this whole time we've been going through this minor experience with the windshield wipers. Her admirations.
Okay, they're working.
Eureka. See? What you always say, you don't need a nigga for shit.
I don't need no nigga for shit or nothing. Fuck.
But anyways, her admirations kept coming on. And I kept telling her, like, you know, calm down, just calm down.
Because they over like, oh, it's your motor. Oh, it's probably your motor. No, the fuck it's not. Stop wishing that on me, my nigga. They like, oh, your lazy ass didn't want to put nothing on. You over there like Marcus, that was his name. Typical nigga.
They got gumbo. Studying the menu.
Chicken, sausage, and shrimp.
Gina been mean to me. She has. She been mean to me all morning.
I fell asleep. She got me and started out like a little kid.
No. She just been very mean to me.
Why are you lying to these people like this?
Because you have. She told me I was unrecallable.
No. Tell the whole truth.
I can't tell y'all the whole story.
Right.
But that's what she said.
Okay, so she said that It's alright for me. So y'all just put in the hints of what we was talking about.
And then she told me I was unrecallable.
She said that I was alright.
And they had the nerve to tell me I was in my feelings.
And they had the nerve to tell me that she gonna remember that.
I didn't say I didn't remember it.
She gonna be like, yep, I'm gonna remember that. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because she said I was unrecallable.
She said I was alright. Like,
anyways, we about to go get coffee and
I'm not getting
what you get? You getting a Red Bull
I need
infusion?
that.
What you get a Red Bull for?
It's good.
I'm getting a smoothie. And then I gotta go pay some bills, retail bills. Y'all don't get a charge card. It's too much responsibility. And then I might go in Forever 21 because they got some cute little, hopefully they still got some cute little Valentine's Day gear. And I saw this little terry cloth. Ooh, we
Go. It was not fun.
Ooh.
I would have hit that car.
That's why you was taking your time. That was kind
He
of.
was taking his time. Like, nigga, you need to go.
That was kind of because it's still 16 degrees out here, and we still got ice and snow. Like the roads ain't bad, but driveways and shit kind of like fucked up or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna run in there. No guarantee though. Just gonna pay these little bills. Just a little outing. We got food at the house. We don't need to go get no more food.
You know how you have food, but you have a taste for something, but you don't know what you have a taste for.
We still got wings in the car from last night.
I wouldn't come back out.
She wasn't coming back to the
I'm
car.
like, oh, it's cold. Like, it's colder than a refrigerator, actually, outside.
So yeah, they should be good. So I'll see y'all when we get to our destination. Cause I'm gonna let her turn on her music. Maybe that'll help her stop being so mean.
I'm not even getting me.
See y'all.
She came for me.
I don't mind working weekends, but I'm not working that day.
I'm about to get another drink. I'm excited.
I'm lit. Hey, I will get another one.
We tried to kidnap Porter, but can I get one?
Can we get?
I want the white peach one this time, and it's gonna be on a separate tab, my tab.
Can we get? She's just getting a drink. Can I get these?
You already told me that.
Yeah, I already want to get in.
Oh,
You already told her
Because
that.
they still make it.
I'm sorry, I ain't remember telling you.
So, no more, you don't want another?
No.
You need some bread.
I'm good.
I'm going to grab a look for yours, and you want a white peach one?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And then the last thing I'm gonna get is this triple chocolate cheesecake. This is so good. Yeah, I be craving sweets. I mean, yeah, we tried to kidnap our friend, but she gotta go work.
We trying to get a lid.
What are you talking about? Are you
I want you, yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah, let me know.
You not on camera.
Still, people know my voice.
Who?
Don't nobody know
Don't nobody.
across the world who you are. Okay.
Especially when you be
Don't nobody know
estranged
who you are.
to social media anyway.
Take mac and cheese for you, man.
Blue cheese do not stink.
I don't like that, and I don't like Caesar.
I love Caesar.
You just like that.
I'm waiting on my second drink.
I don't
I'm
like
gonna I'm gonna chug it when she bring it. That steak look good. I don't like gravy though. I am not an alcoholic. I just like to drink. Put them on y'all camera so big, but I ain't gonna do it like that because she got
Get your views up.
she got hoes. She got hoes out
They're
here.
going to be like, damn, who is that?
And
Come get you some.
she got hoes out
Demon
here,
time.
and I ain't trying to get her caught up. But yeah, they got some too.
Don't worry. Be happy.
That's all y'all get.
They got you up to 1,000 years.
She fucked up too, cause she had two also.
I'm not fucked up. I'm
Ooh,
here.
he gonna try to come over and smoke. He gonna try to put a motherfucker under. I don't like his.
I just be asleep.
Dad.
I'ma pull a U on you.
What you gonna do? He gonna
Go to
fall?
sleep.
Dad, he gonna try to lay in the bed this time.
It's too late.
I bet you he gonna try. I bet you he gonna try.
These crazies.
Had to come and get me some leave-in conditioner and some moisturizer, and I just want a blue bonnet.
I wish I could get edges.
She said I wish. She said I wish I could get. She said I wish I could get edges. Not I wish I could get edges. Earrings they got. Got some cute earrings.
Take your time, I'ma pour a glass of wine. Relax and unwind, then take it off, dim them lights. No secrets tonight, I wanna see it all. Do it good, I might give you some more. That's just how I need it, baby. Need it from you. That's just how I.
Let me turn this down. Gina a thug today. Did she take her phone with her? Hold on. Okay. Happy Sunday Fun Day. Today is Bob Marley's birthday, and it's also the first weekend of Black History Month, which we shouldn't wait until February to celebrate our heritage. That's why I really hadn't spoke on it. Black History Month to me is every day. Like, we are the true inventors of this country, and a lot of this shit would not be here if it wasn't for our ancestors sacrificing and dealing with, you know, injustices and, you know, abuse. Which I ain't saying that all of that is said and done with, but you know, a lot of the privileges that we have as the Black community now is because of our ancestors. So let's pay homage to them this month. And if you know better, do better. Like, try to use this month as motivation and inspiration to get your life together. You know, not just for yourself, but for the Black community overall. If you can, you know. And yeah, just every time you think about doing something, or anytime you feel discouraged, just think about this month and just think about all the Black lives that do matter and have mattered for the longest, and hopefully that pushes you to achieve your dreams. Gina had to go to Starbucks, y'all. Look at her. I got her. Hold on. But yeah, make a couple of runs real quick. I gotta go to the ATM, go pay them. And then we gotta go pick up groceries later. I don't know if I'm gonna go see my mama today. We may wait and do that on Tuesday. I FaceTimed her yesterday. FaceTime her again today. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Did we watch movies last night? I don't know. I think we played on our phones until we fell asleep. I definitely fell asleep. I was tired. Plus we had them 2 sangrias. We was feeling nice and toasty. It really was. So my goal is to save money. That's my goal. You know, I sit up here and I think about how much money my ancestors didn't have back in the day, and I'm just like, damn, I'm out here spending it like it ain't shit. You feel me? So my goal is to save money. Now, my birthday month was excluded from the year because it was my birthday month. But I can definitely start now, you know? So, yeah. That's my goal.
amongst other things. But that's the main goal. That's the big one.
Where the hell are you going? They doing so much and they like packed the fuck. They are packed in Starbucks.
Everybody at Starbucks?
Yeah.
They were closed for 2 days, bitch.
They were closed for 2 days.
Yeah, that Friday killed people. Like, it hurt they soul if they was closed Friday.
Like, I was trying to get the little
Y'all know Starbucks don't
pouch
close.
and stuff from the store, but
This cup was printed on my birthday. January 17th, 2022. Yes, the universe is here with me. That was
where are you
random.
going? I'm going straight. Like, they be all
But yeah. What was I gonna say? I probably ain't gonna vlog too much because I'm literally doing in and out runs, like in and out. I'm not on the shits today.
I'm about to give me another pen. This is my last one. I'm not getting any more.
She's getting her another pen, y'all.
I'm not getting me no more.
I ain't in it. My name's Bennett and I'm not in it. It's the only pen that I really need. My pen's still doing okay, but I want another pen, but I don't want another pen. I don't think I'm gonna get another pen. It's the only one I need. I'm just gonna... Shit, I stopped smoking cigarettes cold turkey. I can stop vaping cold turkey. Technically, I still have this one, so... Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in a bit.
Alright, Daddy Snow. We can get a lot of snow compared to other places. Not these motherfuckers in the car.
Leaving the mall. I paid my bills. Oh, Gina found a parking spot outside the mall, but I literally did a quick walk through the mall and paid my bills, and now I'm going home. Come on, fuck on with your ugly ass bucket. Okay, y'all going that way. You being an asshole and keep going. Technically, pedestrians have the right of way. This bitch is in the handicap parking spot, bitch.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Peter